The second question on the worksheet asks you to develop an initial search strategy that might be used when searching a database. To do that, you need to generate appropriate search terms and record them in the spaces labeled A and B. If needed, you can add space for an additional term. In the previous tutorial, you learned that it's not a good idea to search a database with just one word or even with a single short phrase because the search would be too broad and there would likely be way too many results. But you should not go to the opposite extreme either. Searching under an entire sentence is also unlikely to bring up useful results or any at all because the search statement is too specific and the database will be searching for each and every word. So one of the most important things to do when starting research is to identify the main idea words. Here's our research topic. What do you think are the words that would best describe this topic? Well, one of them must be hydrofracking. That's the broad subject area we're interested in. Another important word would be pollute. We are interested in writing about whether hydrofracking would cause pollution. But what kind of pollution? It could be pollution of the air caused by the increase in truck traffic around drilling sites. No, we're not interested in that. We're interested specifically in how hydrofracking might affect our water supply. So the word water would be an important concept for our search. Okay, let's go back to the library worksheet. We will enter hydrofracking in space A, water in space B, and we will add a space C so we can use the word pollute. Depending on your topic, you may need to use only two main topic words. This will be our initial search strategy. If you watched the short tutorial search terms that's linked on the LibGuides tutorial tab page, you learned that research is a dynamic process. It is very useful at this point to think about and record additional or synonymous words or phrases that you could use to describe the main themes of your research. You may already be thinking of some additional words after having done some background research, or you may pick up other words or phrases as you do your research. Here are some possible additional words that might apply to our search. You can probably think of others. You may find that any one of these additional terms could be either substituted or added to your original search strategy. That's why research is a dynamic process.